Hey everybody, Rogers Motor Cars here. Today we've got another Hellcat to show you. This is a 2022 Challenger Hellcat Redeye Jailbreak. What does all that mean? The regular Hellcat is 707 horsepower. The Redeye is 797. The Jailbreak is 807, so it's as much as the Demon. This car is a 203 mile an hour car, 807 horsepower, very, very well loaded. And only 1,900 miles, 1,900 miles on this car. Got it from a local collector here in Houston. We have everything with the car, all the keys and books. Beautiful. White knuckle, white paint. It's got the granite wheels. Got the demonic red interior. We'll look inside in a second. Very nice. It's the wide body, of course. That comes with the Jailbreak package. It's got the black satin spoiler. Looks really, really nice. Sounds good. This car is new in the wrapper. Quick look inside. Demonic red seats. Does have the sunroof. This is the Laguna leather. So Laguna leather, heated and ventilated. Does have the subwoofers in the back. Factory subs. Driver equipment group, which gives you all of the lane departure and rear camera and all of that. See the mileage there is at 1907. Does have the carbon fiber interior group as well. Harman Kardon sound. This car is a non-smoker, of course. Clean Carfax. Very, very nice. Stick it in your collection, drive it every day. We do have a warranty that we can offer for this car. Ask me about that. Really nicely optioned. You can see the window sticker in the photo gallery. This car had a 100,000 MSRP. This is quite a deal on this car right here. Give me a call, text, email. We will get back to you quickly. If I don't answer, it's only because I'm on the line. But I respond very quickly to all inquiries. We can ship this to you in an enclosed trailer. Anywhere in the country. If you've got your own bank, that's fine. If you don't have a bank and you need some help with that, we've got an option for you. Very, very clean. There's no wear and tear at all. Nobody's been in the back. Great car, great options. It says Jailbreak right there. So, hope to hear from you on this one. Let's get a deal done. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe. Hit the like button. All that helps us. Follow us on Instagram, Rogers_Motorcars. We've got a nice growing Facebook page as well. You can follow us there, Rogers Motor Cars. Talk to you soon. Thank you.